Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of converting your Bitcoin into cash using Cash App. Whether you're new to Bitcoin or have been trading for a while, this tutorial will simplify the steps for you. If you've purchased Bitcoin on Cash App and are ready to sell it and cash out, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process together. To get started, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Once you're in, locate the banking or balance icon. This icon can be found in the bottom left corner of your screen, and it's the same place you went to purchase Bitcoin initially. This section acts as the hub for managing your Cash App funds, including your Bitcoin transactions. When you open the balance page, you'll notice Bitcoin listed as one of your assets. Tap on Bitcoin to enter the dedicated Bitcoin section. Here, you'll find everything you need to know about your Bitcoin holdings. You'll see how much Bitcoin you currently own, a visual representation of its performance over time, and other relevant details to help you understand your investment better. Once you're ready to proceed, scroll down the Bitcoin page until you see the Sell button. Tap on it to begin the process of selling your Bitcoin. This action will take you to the order type screen, where you can customize your sale. By default, the order type is set to a one-time transaction, which is the simplest and quickest option for selling Bitcoin. However, if you prefer to sell your Bitcoin only when its price reaches a specific value, you can set up a custom order with a target price. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the default one-time order option. Next, you'll need to decide how much Bitcoin you'd like to sell. Cash App gives you flexibility in choosing the amount. You can select a predefined amount, sell your entire Bitcoin balance, or manually enter a custom amount to suit your needs. Take your time to determine the exact amount you want to cash out. Once you've selected the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell, you'll be directed to a confirmation page. This is an important step as it provides a detailed summary of your transaction. The summary includes the amount of Bitcoin you're selling, the corresponding cash value, and the transaction fee charged by Cash App. The fee is typically small and will be clearly displayed so there are no surprises. Carefully review all the details on the confirmation page. Double-check the amount you're selling and the fee to ensure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with the information, tap the Confirm button to finalize your sale. At this point, your Bitcoin will be sold, and the proceeds from the sale will immediately appear in your Cash App balance. And there you have it. You've successfully sold your Bitcoin on Cash App, turning your cryptocurrency investment into cash that's readily available for use. Whether you're planning to transfer it to your bank account or spend it directly from Cash App, the process is seamless and straightforward. Thank you for watching.